Good morning, children.
Good morning,
Good morning,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
So, children, we started. Good morning. Decimals, and decimal
Yes,
means 11.1, like and unlike
like
decimals.
decimals.
Like and unlike. So, children, what? Okay, so we learned like decimals, unlike decimals. Who can tell me what is like decimals? You raise your hand. Yes, Chrisjo.
The decimals which have equal number of
Same number of decimal places.
places.
Same number of decimal places. It need not be same numbers, but same number of decimal places. Okay. What about unlike Chrisjo? Unlike decimals means
Unlike decimals means the decimals with different numbers.
different number of decimal places. Different number of decimal places. Also, we learned what are equivalent decimal. Equivalent. Who can say that equivalent decimals? Yes,
Ma'am,
Felix.
numbers having equal values are called equal decimals.
Again,
Equivalent
once again,
decimals.
once again.
Decimal numbers having equal values are
Yes,
called
equal
equivalent.
value. Okay, equal value. So we are checking the decimal places and the equal value. You know, if you 0.3 and 0.30, they are equal because after the decimal point on the after right side of the decimal point, when we add 0, there is no change in the value. Okay, change in the value. Then we learned how to convert unlike decimals to like decimals.
Like
Ah.
decimals.
Who can tell me that unlike decimals
Ma'am,
too? Yes, Angelina.
ma'am, adding zeros to the right side.
Adding zeros. So first of all, what we will do, we will check which number has
Which
maximum number of
number is the
decimal
maximum?
places.
And we will add
Maximum,
the
then
zeros
we
to
will
the
add
other
ah,
numbers.
as many zeros to make the number of decimal places same. Understood? And I
Yes.
think we have one or two questions to complete that we will
Ma'am, two
complete in our
questions,
next week.
21st and 22nd to
Ah.
Ma'am,
complete.
only two questions.
That we will do in our next period. So now we will start a new same decimals, but the new topic. What is that?
11.2.
Ah, can you read that
Compare
one?
and order decimals.
Compare
Compare
and
and order decimals.
order
And order decimals.
decimals.
I have a doubt. Decimal. Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes.
Ma'am, ma'am, in the equivalent fractions, if it is 8 point,
Equivalent fractions or decimals? You are
equal decimals.
decimals. Okay.
Ma'am, the whole part should be same. Whole
Yes.
part
Whole
should
part
be
should be
also
same.
same.
Whole part should be. Then only it is equal. We are checking decimal places.
Okay, ma'am.
So of course, whole
Check
number
also
or
whole
integral
part
part,
should
it should be the same. So like we are checking mostly with the 0 point decimal numbers. Yes. So 0 0.3, 0 0.30, 0 0.300, they all are equivalent decimals. Okay. So
whole number should be also same.
equal. It should be equal value. Equal value. If you are adding zeros to the right side of the decimal, does not change the value. Okay, that's why.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now here we are going to start compare and order decimals. Compare and order decimals. So children, we know how to compare the numbers. What we will do? Like normal numbers, what we'll do, we will first start comparing. If it is a 3-digit number, we will start comparing the hundreds place first. Which number have more value, more big number in the highest place value, that number is bigger. If they are same, what you will do? What you will compare? We will go to the next place. We will go to the next place, tens place. If it is a 3-digit number, we have only ones, tens, and 100. I'm talking about normal numbers without decimal. Without decimal points, we are discussing now. So ones, tens, and 100. If the 100 place is same, what you will do? You will go to tens place and check whether they are equal. Or if they are equal, we will check ones place. Same like this, decimal numbers. We want to compare. Compare means we will check which is the biggest one. Are they equal? Which is the smaller one? Okay. Then what we will do first to compare, what we will compare the integral part. Integral or whole number.
Decimal part.
Integral part and decimal part is there, but integral part we can say also whole
Whole part.
whole part. If the whole number part, which number is bigger? Whole number. For example, it is 120, 160. Which is bigger? 160.
160.
So first of all, we will compare the whole number part.
Number.
If they are same only, we will compare the decimal places. Okay, children. So we know how to compare and order.
Mom, I have studied how to compare.
Okay. Okay. So first of all, children, if the number, can you please, all of you, please mute your audio? Some distractions. Convert the given decimal numbers into like decimals. Like decimals, then it will be easy for us to compare. So we discussed what is like decimals. We have to make all the decimal places same number of digits. Decimal places. Understood? If we have 0.3, another one is 0.04. So here 2 digit, here only 1 digit. So what we will do? We will add 0 to the right side of the decimal point. After this 3, we will add. So 0.3 and 0.30, we know they have equal value and they are equivalent decimals. Now, to compare the numbers, first what we will do, convert the given decimal numbers into like decimal. Here now we have 2 digit, here also we have 2 digit. Then what we'll do, compare their integral part. We will first compare the whole number part, or we can say the integral part. If the integral part are same, then only we start comparing the decimal places. Understood? So first of all, to compare and order decimal places, what we have to do, children? You have to convert them into like decimals. Like decimals. How to convert them into like decimals? We have to
By adding zeros to the
add
right.
zeros to the right. Okay. Then after making them like decimals, we will start comparing the integral, or we can say whole number part, whole number side, this side,
Okay, ma'am.
before the decimal point. That part is the integral part, or we can say whole number part. When we compare, if these whole number part are same, what we will do? We will start comparing the decimal places. Understood, children? Okay. So for example, if I have 0.35, I want to compare 0.03. So first of all, I will check whether it is a like fractions. Yes, Isha, can you say, are they like fractions?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Why?
Because they have the same number of decimal places.
Here we have 2 decimal place. Here also we have 2 decimal place, 3503. Okay. So here we have 2 decimal places. Here also 2 decimal places. So first step, no need to convert into like decimals because it is already like decimals. Then second step, compare their integral part. So integral means before the decimal point, that is the whole number part. When I compare, both are same, 0. Okay. So I will go to now next step. If the integral parts are same, what will I do? I will compare the decimal places. So I will start comparing which is the place after the decimal point? Can you say decimal place? 10th. Okay, 10th place. So first of all, children, you have to compare the 10th place. 10th. This THS is very important. 10th place. So we will compare the 10th place. 3 here, here 0. So which is greater here? Which number is greater?
Ma'am, 0.35.
Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
first of all, we will compare. We will check whether they are like decimals. If they are like decimals, what we will do? We will compare the whole number or the integral side. If they are same, what we will do? We will start comparing the tenths place. Here it is 3, here it is 0. So that's 3 is greater. If the tenth place are same,
We will go to 100th place.
100 place. If this same like our normal comparing the numbers, what we will do?
Just will
If-
compare decimal.
If we see that tenths place they are same, what we will do? We will go to hundredths place and see which is greater or lesser. If they are same, what we will do? We will go to the next place, that is thousandth place. Okay? Yes, Anthony.
Ma'am, can you show the integral part is different comparing?
We will do with examples only. Yes. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so children, can you do one example? Yes, Fia.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, in the example you have done, in that integral part, that if it is 4, one of them it will be 4. So that, ma'am, that if the 4.35 and 0.03, so that 4.35 will be the bigger one, right?
Yes, yes. When the integral part is 1 is 4, another one is 0. So which is bigger? 4.
4.
Okay, Nandita, you
Okay,
have an audio problem. I can understand. Okay. So children, here we will do with one example, which is greater. Okay. So I will ask one by one. I will ask one by one. Here, question number A. I have 69.2 and 69.02. So, Madhav, can you help me? So here we have only one digit, here we have 2 digit. So what I should do first?
And 10.
Yes, very good. I have to make it into like fraction. I have to change these numbers into like decimals, not fraction. It is not fraction, it is decimal. Like decimals. So here I have only one digit. Here I have 2 digit. So I should add 1 0 to the right side. Now it becomes like decimals. Okay. Now Richard, can you tell me what is the next step? What should I do? Yes, Richard.
Ma'am, he's drinking something.
Yes, Richard.
Compare integral part.
Integral part. Very good. Compare the integral part. Here it is 69. Here also it is 69. Both are same. So what we should do, Isha?
So we have to compare the decimal places.
Okay, decimal place. So which is the first decimal place we have to compare?
20.
Tenths place. Okay, tenths place. So here it is the tenths place. Here it is tenths place. That is 2. So here it is 2 and here it is 0. So which is bigger?
69.20.
Yes. So the answer is 69.20 is greater than 69.02. Understood? So children, first step we have to make the decimal part the same number of digits. That means we have to convert into like decimals. How we can make like decimals? We have to just add 0 to the right side. Okay. Then we will compare the integral part. Here in this question, both have same number, 69, 69. So they are same. So we'll take the place after the decimal point, which is that tenths place. In one tenths place, that is 2. Another one is 0. So obviously, clearly, 2 is greater. So understood? Now we'll do question number 2. That example B. We can do example B. So here, Manu, here 77.10. And here we have 77.012. What we have to do first?
First, we should make them equivalent. No, like decimals.
Here we not equivalent. We have to make like decimals. Okay, very good. Then for that, what we have to do?
We should add zeros to the right side.
Which number?
1027.
Okay.
Ma'am, 10.
Yes.
Okay.
Then
Then we should check the integral part.
Okay, integral part is here 77. Here also it's 77. Both are
Okay.
same.
So what was say? Then we should compare the decimal part.
Decimal part. First place we had to check, that is here tens place. Here it is 1. Here it is 0.
So the first one is the greater.
Yes, very good. 77.10.
Excuse me,
We are
ma'am.
not writing this 0 because the question is here 77.10, that is greater than 77.012. Okay.
Excuse me,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, I
I
meant.
mean,
Ma'am, so if a question comes like 99.9, then 99.90, so it will, ma'am, so
Equal. They will be equal.
it will be equivalent.
They are equal.
Equivalent decimal.
They will
When they are 0, so it is 99.
be equal, right, ma'am?
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, we have.
How to compare a decimal by an number? Just a number. Which ma'am, like
We can add 0.0 to the right side. Okay. If
Ma'am, or else we can check the integral
0.6
part.
and one number is 66. How we can make equal like decimal? We had to put 0.0. Okay.
Ma'am, so then we will check the integral part.
question like 5.6.
Permission. Yes, Angelina. Angelina, yes.
Ma'am, the question 5.6 and compared by 6, we'll add 0.0 and we'll find the answer.
Can you tell me the numbers again?
5.66.
1 minute. Okay, 5.66.
66.
You don't say 66. 66, we will say, children, 1 minute, okay? Listen to me. We can write this number name as 5.66, or last time we learned this. I think you have learned this like this numbers in class 4. I have seen that class 4 book in the last year. You have learned this number name 5.66. You have to read, or we can say 5 and 66. What?
100.
100. Very good. 66. It is tens place. Tens place, and this is 100th place. 100th. So we can write either 5 point after point. If you are saying the number, you have to say 66, or if you are saying 66, you have to say 66 hundredths.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So what's your doubt? 5.66 and
5.66 and 5.
just 5.
5. How to compare?
You have to first make like decimal. How you can add 2 zeros to the right
we
side?
should put decimal.
Yes. 5.0. See, money you have learned 5 rupees. We can write 5.00.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you can compare the integral part. Here 6 and here 0. So obviously 6 is greater than 0. Understood?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay, Ayman.
Ma'am, so if like a question comes 3.4 and 4, so you tell like 4.0 we should do like that.
3.4
And 4.0.
okay. So can you compare the integral part which is bigger?
Ma'am, 4.
4.
Ma'am, so that will be the bigger one.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Even if without decimal point, first of all, you have to compare the integral part. So we can see 3 is smaller than 4. So 4 is greater. Understood,
Okay,
children?
ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, suppose that that 77.100 100 and 77.012, right? That one we can also look like the
77.100 and 77.0
0.012.
Okay. So what is the step we have to do? Here 3 decimal, no problem. Here also 3 decimals. So check
Ma'am.
the integral part. Integral part. Same. Then what we have to do?
Ma'am, the 12. Ma'am, the 12. The 0 is before the 12, right? So that value will be as 12, and that first one is
You
100.
just compare by place. Okay. So Fia,
Okay, ma'am.
after the integral part, if you compare the integral part, then if they are same, just look at the first decimal point after the first decimal place after the decimal point. Here it is 1. Here it is 0. So which is bigger?
1.
1. So 77.100 is greater than 77.01. So children, you have to compare by place. No need to.
We can compare by making this decimal into fraction.
Now we have learned decimal comparison and fraction. We are just doing now only with the decimals. Okay. So children, can you take out your workbook?
Yes.
I will tell you page that
Yes, ma'am.
two
Page
questions
number
that we will
63.
Ma'am, 63.
that we will do in the next period. Now we starting 11.2. Okay. 63. Page number 63.
63.
Okay. Page number. Page number 63. Okay. So question number 1. Chinmay, can you read question number 1?
The pair of unlike decimals is
Before that, what is the unlike decimal? Unlike decimal means what?
decimal with different
Decimal
number of places.
Okay, different number of decimal places. So it is very easy. Now you can check the decimal part which have different decimal
C.
places. C, very good. So question number 1, children, which is the answer? C. Okay. Now Ammu, question number 2. Ammu, can you read? Children, please mute your audio. If someone is reading, please listen carefully. Okay. Ammu.
The decimal equivalent to
63.1. Which is the decimal equivalent to 63.1? No. Yes.
Man, can you say? Man, 6.31.
D. Option D.
D. Option D. Okay. So children, what is option D? 63.10. Okay. So children, we know how to make equivalent decimal. How to make equivalent decimal? Just add zeros to the right side. Okay. So there is no change in the value. So what is equivalent decimals? The decimal with the equal value. Okay. Okay, Anusri, can you read question number 3?
The decimal equivalent to 12.5 is 12 A.
A.
And option A.
Okay, option A. Very good. So that is 2.5. That is equivalent to 12.50. If you add 1 0 to the right side, there is no change in the value. So the answer is.
Ma'am, if we add one more zero, also no change.
We can add how many zeros if you want. There is no change.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Question number 3 is what's the answer? A. Agnay, can you read question number 4?
Compare 3.4 and 4 using.
Someone asked this same question. I think Ayman.
Yes.
Yes.
ma'am.
Ayman asked. Yeah.
No, ma'am. Ayman was asking.
Okay.
Option A.
So 3.4 is less less than 4. So children, I told you, if you want to compare, what we will do, we will make like decimal. So 4.0 you can write instead of 4. So we will compare the integral part. Here it is 3 and here it is 4. So which is 3 is less than 4. So option A. Very good.
Excuse me,
Adinath,
ma'am,
question number
I have a
5.
doubt. Excuse
Yes,
me, ma'am.
Anandesh.
Ma'am, if it is it is instead of 3.4, it is 3.40. Oh, it will be
They are
it is 140.
3.4 and 3.40. They are same value.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So we are checking first which part, integral part. So 3 and 4. 3 and 4. 4 is bigger.
Ma'am,
Yes.
if it is 10, 3.10,
Tell me the number.
3.10,
Okay. That 3.10. Tell me like that.
ma'am,
3.10 and
4.
just 4.
Yes, ma'am.
So what we will do, we will make it like a decimal by adding 2 0. Compare the integral part 3, here is 4, which is bigger.
3 is less than
4. So
Ma'am, no, ma'am, not 10, 12, 12.
3.12.
3.12. Yes, ma'am, another question.
3.2 also no problem. We are first
And
comparing
12.
the integral part.
Ma'am, if 3.12, then 4, then also 4 will be the greater.
Yes, because we are first comparing which part? Integral part.
part we
Okay. So children, 3.5, 3.5 or 4, which is bigger?
4.
4. Okay. So when we compare, we are comparing first integral part or the whole number part. I have like 4 chocolates. So 4 full chocolates or 3 chocolate and 1 half, which is bigger?
4 chocolates.
4 chocolates, yes. So we will compare first integral parts. Understood?
Ma'am, what is the answer of question number 5?
Question number 5 we are going to ask. We are not discussed. Okay. Now who is going to
Ma'am,
read?
that also somebody asked to you.
Okay.
Ma'am, next question can I read?
Wait. Now John Sebi. John Sebi, can you unmute?
Ma'am, can I see that?
Yes, Angelina.
Which of the following statements is true?
Mm.
Option A, 2.3 greater than 3.2.
Mm.
Option B, 1.4 smaller than 0.1. Option C, 1.5 greater than 5.1. Option D, 9.8 greater than 8.9. Option D.
Option
D.
Option D. So
D.
children, do you have any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No. I will explain that same question with all the options. Same question with all the options. So if you have any doubt, so first option A, that is 2.3 and 3.2. So children, when we compare the decimal, they are like decimals. Look here, 1 digit. Here 1 digit and here also 1 digit. Okay, so no need to make it a like decimal. Then compare the integral part 2, 3. So which is bigger? 3 is bigger. But it is written 2.3 is greater. So this is option is wrong. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So option A is wrong.
Wrong.
Okay.
Statement is
We have to
wrong.
find out which is now 1.4 and 0.1. So first of all, when we compare 1 is greater than 0. But it is written 1.4 is less than. So that also
Yes, ma'am.
wrong.
Wrong statement.
Understood?
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
option C.
1.5,
1.5 and
5.1.
5.1. So children, here also we had to compare first integral part.
And
So
5.1 is bigger.
5 is greater. But it is written here 1.5 is greater.
1.5 is
That
greater
also
than
wrong. So option D is only the correct option.
9.8 and 8.9.
1 minute. 9.8 and 8.9. First of all, we have to check whether it is like decimal. It is like
It's
decimal
like.
because we have only 1 digit. Then compare the integral part. 9 is greater than
8.
So this option is correct. Yes, Gautam. Yes, Gautam.
Ma'am, next question can I read?
Yes, I thought some confusion. Okay, read question number 6.
Compare
Hmm.
5.61
5.60.
and 5.64 using great.
Okay, compare 5.60 and 5.64. Compare. And you have to compare and tell me. First of all, what do you have to do? Check these decimals are like decimals. Are they like Are they like decimal? Are they like decimal?
Yes.
Yes. So what we have to do, Gautam?
Like decimal. Integral part.
Integral part. 5 and 5, they are same. So what do you have to do?
We will check the tens part.
10th place. That also same. Same.
That's also same. So we
So what do you have to do? Go to the 100th place.
place.
Here 1 0, here it is 4. So which is less than?
Less 5.60 or is greater. 5.60 is
Less than 64. So find out which option is correct. I will ask one by. No need to say the answer together. Harsha, tell me which option is correct. 5.60 and 5.64. 5.60 and 5. The question is 5.60 and 5.64. So which option is correct?
Option B.
Option B. Here,
Yes, ma'am.
5 and 5, they are same. So 6 and 6, they are same. Now 0 is less than 4. 0 is less than 4. So question number 6, which is the correct option? Option B. Option B. Yes? Yes, children, completed?
Yes, ma'am.
So we will do only till question number 6 now. Okay? That we can do
Ma'am,
later. That we can do later. So children,
Ma'am, I
after
completed up to 9.
we can discuss later.
Ma'am, I finished
Okay. So
14.
children, is there any doubt in compare and order decimals?
Never.
So children, we will just discuss that again. Here,
This is
to
easy.
compare the decimal, what do you have to do first? To compare the decimals, what do you have to do? First, you have to convert the given decimal into like decimals. Like decimals means you have to add many zeros to make the equal number of decimal places. Equal number of decimal places. Then what we have to do? Compare the integral part, or we can say that is whole number part. And if the integral part are same, we have to start comparing the decimal places. Okay, children? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, bye. Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye bye.